The following Facilities Management Insight was filmed at the NFMT Conference and Expo.
The local distributor is going to be a huge help to you in sizing the generator, working with you to decide whether natural gas or diesel is going to be the best option, and what other accessories you're going to need in order to get the best possible system that you can for your dollar. But there are a number of considerations. First of all, you need to decide how long you want to be able to run your equipment for. What's going to be the duration that you've got to be worried about? And consider that, the worst case scenario is not a blip from the utility company. It's going to be a major event, usually a weather event. Day one, it's happening. There's chaos, no one's going outside, but your generator is going to be running. Day two, there's going to be some recovery. Streets are getting cleared. The utility companies are out in force trying to restore power. You may or may not get power that day. Day three, it's getting better every day now. And hopefully by this time, the fuel distribution facilities have power available and they can make fuel available. So you probably need to look at least 3 days, maybe more. I mean, this is your decision. You know what the circumstances are in your area. So you can figure out how many hours you're going to need to run, and that'll help the decision about the fuel choice. Incidentally, I've got a few slides of engine rooms like this. These are municipal facilities. Some of these engines have been around since before baseball, I think. But they are absolutely immaculate inside. There's usually an engineer that's been looking after this generator set since it was installed, and they are spotless. So replenishment of your fuel, if you're using diesel fuel, is going to be important. How much you're going to need, how soon you're going to need it. It's worth talking to your fuel supplier about this. Fuel storage, critical. Where are you going to keep the stuff? Can you keep it inside a building in a tank? How much space is it going to take? You will have to check with regulations and codes regarding fuel storage. And I do recommend that when you're at this stage, you also talk to your fire department as well to find out what they think about this. Fire chiefs hate coming across surprises of flammable fluids, or gases for that matter. And it's always nice to have the fire chief as your friend. Security is important, and spills absolutely have to be avoided because they can be twice as expensive as a generator set to take care of. So there are specifications that we can use that will help us avoid any possibility of fuel spills. But you do have to be careful in planning. I mean, can you be sure that if a truck slides on ice, it's not going to slide into your generator set or the fuel tank? These are things that you have to think about.